Hi there. Top 3 robot vacuums of 2025. Real-life test and review. Hey there. Tired of sweeping floors and scrubbing stains? In this video, we'll test and compare the top 3 robot vacuums of the year. The spotlight is on the T50 Max from ECOVACS, a cleaning powerhouse. We'll also check out 2 strong rivals, Roborock S8 Max and Dream's X40 Ultra. By the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your home best. And yes, all product links are right below this video. First up, the T50 Max. It delivers 18,500 PA suction and total automation. The mop lifts automatically on carpets and gets washed with hot water. AI obstacle avoidance keeps it clear of toys, cables, and socks. True Edge tech lets it clean right up to the corners. It's perfect for busy homes, pets, and anyone who wants zero effort. Downsides? It's large and pricey, but worth it. Next, S8 Max by Roborock. Smart navigation is its biggest strength. It features dual brushes, AI camera detection, and a vibrating mop. It lifts the mop on rugs and maps rooms precisely. No hot water cleaning here, and it's less powerful than T50 Max. Still, it's a smart pick for tech lovers and apartments. Last up, X40 Ultra by Dream, the underdog that impresses. It comes with dual spinning mops, smart mapping, and hot air drying. Great at scrubbing stains and handling carpet zones automatically. No hot water, and it doesn't detangle hair, but still excellent value. Best for those wanting strong performance without overspending. Final verdict. T50 Max. Top power and hygiene. S8 Max, best in AI and mapping. X40 Ultra, strong cleaning with better price. Whichever you pick, you're getting one of the smartest robots of 2025. All the product links are in the description. Check them out. Like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Your support helps us keep it real. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!